In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a device in TeamViewer Remote. By the end, you'll confidently remove a device from your TeamViewer account so your list stays clean and organized. We'll keep it simple and stick to 3 actions. Open the app, go to Devices, then select the device and delete it. I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect at each step. First, open the TeamViewer app on your computer. If you have multiple TeamViewer products installed, make sure you're in the TeamViewer Remote interface, which shows your account, your devices, and connection tools. You should already be signed in to see your device list. If the app recently updated, the layout may look slightly different, but the devices area is still easy to find. Give the app a moment to sync with your account so it shows the most current device inventory. Next, click Devices. You'll typically find this on the left sidebar, though in some layouts it may appear near the top navigation. When you open it, you'll see your device groups, online and offline indicators, and basic details like device names and last seen times. If your list is long, use the search field or filters to quickly locate what you're looking for. It's a good idea to double check you're in the correct group if your organization uses multiple folders, because deleting the right device from the right place matters. Now select the device you want to remove and delete it. Click the device to highlight it, then open its context options. Depending on your version, this may be a 3-dot menu, a right-click menu, or a toolbar button. Choose Delete or Remove from Account. TeamViewer will ask you to confirm, read the prompt carefully, and confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the device disappears from your devices list. A few quick notes so you know exactly what this does. Deleting a device removes it from your TeamViewer account's device list. It does not uninstall TeamViewer from that computer. If you need to connect to it again in the future, you'll have to add or assign it back to your account. If you don't see the delete option, you may be viewing a shared or managed device where your permissions are limited. In that case, contact the owner or an admin. After deletion, refresh the device's view to confirm it's gone. That's it. Open TeamViewer, click Devices, select the device, and delete. Thanks for watching, and keep your device list tidy for smoother remote sessions.